Hi, I welcome you all to day 8 of Cut the Clutter. As I promised many of you that I will be coming up with the CSET 80 days ka strategy. So at this point of time, many of you have the doubt, ki, sir, how much time we should be giving to the CSET? From where we should be doing the CSET? Should we practice right now? Should we watch the classes? From where we have to practice? What should be the approach, while we are attempting the paper? How many questions we have to attempt? How we should be utilizing the 2 hours ka time? And so on. And let me tell you, if you're going until the end with this video, apart from your preparation, this video will play an important and equivalent role in order to ensure that you qualify the CSET as a exam. अगर मैं सिंपल भाषा में बोलूं तो जो आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, जितनी उसकी वैल्यू है उतनी सीसेट के पेपर को अप्रोच करने की भी वैल्यू होती है, राइट? इट इज नॉट द एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ योर टैलेंट और योर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल. इट इज द एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ aptitude. So to start with this video, first of all, I would like to answer that how much time you should be devoting to practice the CSET. To answer this straight, let me tell you, whatever time slot you will be, indulging yourself while attempting the CSET paper. आपका जो CSET का एग्जाम होगा वो 2:30 बजे से 4:30 बजे तक होगा. तो अभी से what you do from 2:30 until 5, please use the time slot on regular basis so that you train your mind to practice the CSET or to do whatever you want to do with the CSET as a subject. First thing, very clear. Now, even if you're comfortable with the CSET, please give the alternate days, but keep the time slot same. Why I'm saying this? Because, when you are done with your GS paper 1 on D-Day, on 24th of May, you will be tired. And once you're tired, you should have that capability to perform in the CSET hall or the CSET exam. So that is where you have to train your mind to work in the time slot of 2:30 to 4:30. So please fix your time of at least 2 hours, if not until 5 p.m. to the CSET. Second question, that's should we practice or should we watch the classes? To answer this, first of all, I would like to discuss the priority areas. See, if I talk about CSET as a subject, let's start with the quant, the pain point of almost 80% of the aspirants, except some engineers. So when I talk about the quant, the priority areas involve, first of all, number system, and secondly, some basic, or I will say, easy portions of the quant, which involves average, percentage, SCF, LCM, ratio, proportion, and sometimes profit, loss, and discount as well. So what you do, at least you should be ready with this section. And here, number system is something which is non-negotiable. You have to do it, you should do it, you must do it. Number system. उसके बाद the basic or maybe the easy areas of quant, average, percentage, ratio, proportion, profit, loss, and so on. So this is something which you should be tackling for the quant at least. करना ही करना है basic. Then when I talk about the LR, see, in LR now, I think you should be going with the entire syllabus. There is nothing which you should skip because LR is not that tough, right? And it can be managed within the remaining time frame as well, even if you have not started. So quant में easy, LR में if you find 1 or 2 topics difficult, just skip them. So LR complete करना है, but you can skip the 1 or 2 difficult areas where you struggle. And third is RC. Now RC में you have to be comfortable, right? So this should be the bifurcation of the what I will say, component wise, subjects of the CSET. तो अब बात आती है कि सर प्रैक्टिस करें या सिलेबस कंप्लीट करें. देखिए, as of now, since 80 days are left, I would request you to give more emphasis on the practice first of all, but don't be lenient towards the sessions also, or maybe the classes also. As I've already discussed, let's say LR may, if you're not comfortable with 1 or 2 topics or 4 topics or 5 topics, please watch some decent lectures if possible of Sunya IAS, so that you are preparing this subject with the aptitudinal approach, right? Complete LR at least whatever you are comfortable with. Quant में I have told you the topics which you have to do. RC not much, थोड़ा सा in the 4 or 5 or 10 lectures maximum you will be comfortable enough. So please give emphasis on practice. But let's say 4 or 5 topics you find that नहीं है मेरे prepare, तो watch the lectures also. Done. Now the third question, what should be the approach? See, whenever you are doing the CSET, I have seen 90% of the aspirants failing CSET again and again. So if they were failing in 2023, they failed in 2024 again. I mean, those were very weak. 90% of the weakest, what I can say, students. Now the basic idea is that they don't know what is the expectation of the examination. They will pick up some books from the market and they will start solving the questions. They think that this CSET ka examination is all about maths, which is not so. Although the syllabus of the different one-day examinations like banking, SSC, all those examinations is same as of UPSC, Quant, LR, the syllabus is same, but the approach is north and south. So the approach in CSET should not be formulas or tricks or techniques. I've seen many videos on the YouTube, teaching the tricks, formula. See, solving the question with the tricks or the formulas is easy once you're out of the exam hall. But when you have already a vast syllabus of GS, preparing for the CSET with the formulas, first of all, you cannot apply them in the CSET. CSET demands aptitude. A question is coming, framed on 3 different topics. And you will be confused that for what topic you have to use the formula. And remember, the formula is not an easy task, right? So go with the concepts, go with the aptitude. Don't go with the tricks, don't go with the formulas. First thing, very clear, very clear. If you don't want to take the risk. If you need any help whatsoever, maybe in some of the topics, I will drop the Google form in the video description. Fill that form. Either me, Kuldeep, or maybe some other senior mentor of CSET will reach out to you to guide you better, right? So I've talked about the approach. That approach should be on concept, should be on aptitude. If you're watching any YouTube video, formula, trick, please refrain from it. You will struggle again in the final examination. Okay. Fourth thing which I want to talk about is the approach in the paper. Key from what areas we have to target what all questions, number of questions. कि RC में कितने questions attempt करें, LR में कितने करें, Quant में कितने करें. एक बार समझिए कि I want you to have a free mindset first of all. You don't go with anything rigid in your head, है ना? Because you don't know when the UPSC will make the RC the toughest and the Quant the easiest. You don't know. So don't have anything rigid in your head. And secondly, you don't have an option to ignore any one of them. Any one of 3. Please, 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 please. Do not ignore any one of 3. You have to do all the 3, but in the approach in which I have guided you. Quant mein I have told you, do the easy areas along with number system. LR mein leave the difficult areas. RC mein go all in. So you can't escape any one of them. Please do not do that mistake. I've seen a lot of students again doing the same mistake. Second thing is, if I talk about the paper pattern which has been there from 2023 until 2025, I would say that in LR and Quant and RC, this should be the approach. From Quant, please select the questions which are the easiest ones. From LR, drop the questions which are the difficult ones. And RC में drop the questions which are very lengthy. ठीक है. So Quant में सारे basic हमें करने हैं या easy questions करने हैं. LR में difficult छोड़ने हैं. RC में lengthiest छोड़ने हैं. अब this is very important on your part, very 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 important on your part to understand that how this should work in the exam hall. हमें 2 घंटे कैसे इस्तेमाल करने हैं, right? But before coming to those 2 hours, how you have to do this selection? Before coming to those 2 hours, I would like to make some random figures in front of you. From LR and Quant combinedly, you have to attempt 20 to 25 questions at least. 25 target कीजिए at least. 20 भी मैं बहुत कम बोल रहा हूँ, 25 कीजिए. From RC at least 15. ठीक है? So this will take you close to 40 questions, roughly 40 questions, है ना? Or 45. So I am giving you the minimum what I say number of questions. LR और Quant में 25, RC में 15, combinedly it is 40, roughly 40 to 45 पे आप पहुंच जाएंगे. Done. So this should be your approach if the paper is coming on the ongoing pattern. Now the last thing which I want to discuss, the most important, which made the change in the approach of so many aspirants last year. So last year also I dropped that video. That video helped many of the aspirants to crack the CSET. Okay? The approach is to how to use those 2 hours. Now when I talk about those 2 hours, your approach should be in the initial 10 minutes, and listen to me very carefully. In the initial 10 minutes, please go on the selection of the question. सी आरसी के क्वेश्चन में यू हैव टू जस्ट सी द लेंथ, जस्ट सी द लेंथ, इफ इट इज वेरी लेंथी जस्ट पॉज, उसको छोड़ेंगे. क्वांट में if you have practiced enough, if you have done these areas which I have taught you, or if you are part of CSET batch at Sunya IAS, we have done everything comprehensively, so you need not to leave anything. So what I'm trying to tell you, if you know the question lies in your domain, in your forte, you are comfortable, please mark it in the initial 10 minutes. I'm not asking you to solve it. For example, you have done the average well, you have done the digits well, so obviously you can identify while reading the question that you can solve it, right? So from quant, just select those easy questions or the questions which you can solve. From the LR, cross mark the difficult questions. So the approach is RC में just जो भी lengthy लग रहा है skip it, make a cross. Quant में make a tick to whatever questions in which you have your comfort zone. LR में just tick a cross to the most difficult questions, 2, 3, 4 maximum. That is how you will see the LR, third section. Now in 10 minutes, once you have done the question selection, then you should be going to the attempt of the paper. In the next 30 minutes, what you have to do, I will show this paper as an image in the video. So in the next 30 minutes, what you have to do once you are done with the 10 minutes, you have to give those 30 minutes to RC. In that 30 minutes, target at least 10 to 12 questions. कितने? 10 से 12. कहीं प्लीज इसे लिख लीजिएगा. 10 मिनट हमने क्वेश्चन सिलेक्शन पे दिए. मस्ट है, यूपीएससी इज टेस्टिंग योर एप्टीट्यूड. यू कांट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 गो अंटिल 18. 1 से 80 तक आप नहीं जा सकते. यू हैव टू फर्स्ट सिलेक्ट द क्वेश्चन इन विच यू आर कंफर्टेबल, देन गो ऑल इन. सी द आइडिया इज इफ यू गेन द कॉन्फिडेंस इन द स्टार्टिंग ना बेटा, योर ब्रेन स्टार्ट्स वर्किंग. दैट इज द एंटायर माइंडसेट. But let's say the initial 4 or 5 questions are difficult, and if you solve those initial 4 or 5 questions from the starting itself, this will stop working automatically. You will feel demotivated because the time is limited, right? You have the 2 hours to perform. So initial 10 minutes, give it to the question selection. Then 30 minutes RC. 10 questions आप कर सकते हैं 30 minutes में of RC. If not 10, 8 to 9. 10 to 12 I've seen students doing in RC in 30 minutes. Now the next 30 minutes should go to LR and quant and to the most easiest questions which you have marked in the paper. Let's say easy questions को single दीजिए, most easiest को double tick दीजिए. Mark them. Initial 30 minutes में solve the most easiest ones. You will be able to take out the answer of, let's say, again 12 questions, 10 to 12. In LR and quant I'm saying combinedly. That should be the mindset. Now next 25 minutes, and see, when I'm saying initial 30 minutes, it is including the OMR filling time. You have to fill the OMR after the 30 minutes. Then let's say LR and RC, LR and quant आपने कर लिया, फिर आपको OMR पढ़नी है. Then next 25 minutes. Next 25 minutes, give it to RC again. Give it to RC again, or LR and quant. It depends now on your what I will say, preparation. If you are comfortable in RC, go with RC in those 25 minutes. If you're comfortable with LR and quant, go with LR and quant in those 25 minutes. Done. So what I'm said, 30 minutes to RC, 30 minutes to LR and quant, easiest question. Then next 25 minutes to RC, next 25 minutes to LR and quant का easy questions. In the first 30 minutes of RC, we were doing 10 to 12 to 15 questions. In the next 30 minutes, we are doing 12 questions from LR and quant. Then 25 minutes में we were doing 10 questions, at least 10 questions from RC. Then next 25 minutes, we are again targeting 10 to 12 questions from quant and LR. Now maybe there may be few wrong answers in the exam. It's fine. We have to do we have to clear the cutoff. And easily beta, if you are doing this approach, 25 questions you will be doing from LR and quant, and rest 20 questions at least you will be doing from RC. And with this you can comfortably qualify the cutoff as well. But please do not start with the question 1 go until 80. That is the only advice I will give. Rest you can let me know in the comment section. Whatever are your queries, I will try to tackle them. Please try attempting the mock test on frequent intervals. Also we have the ongoing mock test, like Ranbhoomi hai. For CSET we are having the CSET advanced program, CSET 500, very beautiful program. I mean, if you want to practice CSET, so only 5 days we need 8 hours ka live practice sessions. So we will show you the questions, we'll practice the CSET, and all those are advanced level questions coming on the recent trend topic wise arranged. right? So that is what where we can help you. Otherwise, even if you don't want to go with any of the program, it's fine. If you want any sort of help, in any sort of topic, please do let us know in the form wala section. We'll drop a form, fill that form, mentor will reach you, he or she will try to help you. Thank you, see you in the next session.